Bye bye, take care. Ride safe. Good morning, and it's fifth day. This 24th of February in the morning, and it's around 7 o'clock. And Sriram has already left for Bangalore because he is getting delayed because of his office. We got fetched up, and Arvind is making up his luggage. I am almost done packing my luggage. That is my tank bag, that is top box, those two bags. One is having a laptop, my helmet, jacket. I guess that's it, right?
Yes.
So what are your plans?
Well, I hope I'll be crossing Kadapa by 10 o'clock. And once I cross it, I'll stop somewhere for a small breakfast. And then Karnool.
Karnool directly.
Karnool में खाना खा के
निकलना.
I'll leave to Hyderabad.
Okay. So it won't be like a previous plan because we both met in Vijayawada and we rode from Vijayawada to Tirupati. But this time he will be taking another route from here. So we both will get diverted from here. He will directly go to Karnool, Kadapa, and I will take up the Nellore route. Nellore, the 6-lane highway till Vijayawada and then to Rajahmundry. So what I will do is I have already packed up my luggage. We will go mount the luggage and then I will see you guys on the bike. Right?
Yes.
So we have mounted all our luggage onto our bikes, and looks like Arvind is all ready. Right? Okay. All set to go. This is my luggage. Looks like this is uneven, but no issues. So yeah, I need to refuel again. Everything is mounted correctly. Okay, chalo. So officially we are leaving Tirupati. So what we are planning is we'll have a chai and then we both will get diverted. We are on the same route where yesterday we were searching for food here. Unfortunately, I ended up eating the shittiest food possible in Tirupati. It was a bad decision and it was a kind of financial loss. Yeah, no problem. Happens sometimes. Anna chuskoradhe. We need to find a chai point. So what we will do is we will have some biscuits and chai, and he will take another route and I will take another route. So this is Cafes Club. Take care. జాగ్రత్త అప్డేట్ చేస్తూ ఉండు.
షేర్ యువర్ లైవ్ లొకేషన్ ఆఫ్టర్ నెల్లూరు.
సరే. ఎటు నువ్వు లెఫ్ట్కి వెళ్ళిపోతావా? నేను రైట్గా వెళ్తా అయితే. సరే అయితే బాయ్, టేక్ కేర్, రైడ్ సేఫ్, చలో. Arvind will be taking a left from here and I will be taking a right. Arvind, bye, ride safe, take care. So he took a diversion and I am taking a diversion now. So the day we reached Tirupati, this was the hotel Minerva Grand where we stayed, and we got drenched in rain, so I couldn't vlog much after Nellore because the camera side casing where I put the mic's jack, the water might go inside and it will damage the component, so I had to turn it off. And the time we reached, we almost got drenched in rain. It was quite a good time here, and thanks to Arvind, he trusted and he came with us till Tirupati. And Sriram, I owe you this ride, man. Thanks for coming all the way from Bangalore. Start చేయండి. So it is 0. I don't know how much tank capacity is currently because I have filled it up after Nellore. Oh my god, just 3 liters. So we got only 4 liters. Quite a good mileage with the bike. It is just 4.42 liters of petrol after Nellore. The mileage was quite good. We weren't speeding after Nellore, but yeah, we did it till Naidu Pet. We fueled up and we are good to go. So the last time while we are coming from this road, that particular patch was so bad that it literally broke my chassis clamp from the left side and it gave a crack on the right clamp. So I'm afraid nothing should happen like this till the time I reach Rajahmundry. Baap re baap. Entered Naidu Peta, I guess so. No idea. Anna, highway touch aidda idi? Highway. Chennai. Nellore. Okay. Thank you. Oh. So sorry. So if we take a right, I will go to Chennai, but I need to take a left because I am going towards Vijayawada. Thank God, National Highway again. Now I can cruise in peace. So almost reached Nellore. So what Sandeep told me, I need to take a diversion from here, I guess. Okay. Emma bhai bandedi? So Sandeep is here. So we both are going to have breakfast. We'll chit chat for a while and then I'll leave again. So I'll go and have breakfast and again I'll see you guys on the road. Sare aithe. Bye. So thanks to Sandeep, I had my breakfast and I'm leaving Nellore and it's 11. I guess it might take around 7 to 8 hours to reach Rajahmundry. Took around 1 hour of break. We have plenty of breakfast, stomach full of breakfast. Getting back to National Highway number 16. Now I am on the fastest route possible. Bye Nellore. Thank you so much Sandeep for being there every single time. So I already touched on the 6-lane highway of the Golden Quadrilateral and my God, such a pretty road. I don't know whether my camera is doing any justice, but so you guys can see that particular bridge, right? So that is also an highway. So I already crossed one such bridge like that. A pretty road. Wow. A visual treat as well as a riding treat. Treat to ride on this kind of roads. Wow. I wish I had my Duke 390 in this particular stretch. I would have ripped Zoya so badly. I cannot even feel whether I am doing 130 km an hour on this road, on this stretch, because the road is butter smooth. I found a fuel station SR. ఎందుకు లేదు ఆన్లో ఉందా?
అది కాదు ఇది నాకు సిక్కన్నా నిజంగా పెట్టి ఇక్కడ పెట్రోల్ కొట్టించుకున్నాను అమ్మాయిని తీసేయాలి.
ఏం తీశారు?
యూట్యూబ్ లో పెట్టాడు.
ఆహా, ఇంకేం మరి ఫేమస్ అయిపోతారు మీరు కూడా. నేను పెడతాను పోనీ.
నాకు ఫేమస్ అవసరం లేదు.
దేనికన్నా సిగ్గు చెప్పండి, సిగ్గుపడితే ఏమైద్ది? పెళ్ళయిందా?
లేదు లేదు కావాలా
అయినప్పుడు చూడాలి మీ ఫేస్. ఫుల్ చేసేసండి, ఫుల్. సో ఐ స్టాప్డ్ హియర్ ఫర్ అ ఫ్యూయల్ బ్రేక్ after Tirupati. So in middle I haven't refueled my bike. I don't know how many kilometers I have made today, but looks like I have 300 plus more kilometers to do. So probably what I will do is here from here to Guntur it is around 150 kilometers, so it will take around 1 more hour to reach. He says that he is shy. Yeah, nah. He's shy. So hitting the highway again. Thank God, I found one. I have taken a diversion towards Guntur. No hydration, nothing. That is Nimbu Pani wala. That is, you can see, I love Guntur. So currently I am in Guntur. I will have my Nimbu Pani and I'll start off to Rajahmundry. People buy bikes of 1+ lakhs and cannot afford an helmet. Wow, almost I'm entering Vijayawada. This is the Krishna river. I mean, we call it Krishna Canal. Looks like it's gonna be a huge traffic. It says Visakhapatnam Strait, so officially entered Vijayawada. So I took a hydration break and had one ganne ka ras, and looks like a few more kilometers to go. So the greenery here in West Godavari is amazing. So the last break of the trip, the roads are super bad. Looks like if I had taken the highway, it is gonna be 85 kilometers, but I'm going from the countryside, like through the villages. Shit. I never knew that this road was this much fucked up. Looks like this is how it will be for next 10 kilometers. My God, it was the worst decision. I shouldn't have taken this road. Struggle is real hard. This is what I call peace. The countryside roads. It looks like that is a loop. Okay, the diesel engine. Wow, one of the best ever thing I'm witnessing. What is this train? Kachiguda Chengalpattu Kakinada boat. Oh, Sarkar Express. That was a train I used to travel while I used to go to Chennai, obviously to meet my ex, but then everything went in vain. So train, go away. Bike has come a long way. Oh, thank God. So this is the railway crossing. Nice. So I need to take a left. So it's 5:12 in the evening already. Quite pleasant. I have ridden like almost 1280 kilometers up and down. Lost all my patience. Successful attempt with a migraine. My bum is also paining. We are almost near to the Godavari bridge. So this is a road cum railway bridge. So what we need to do is we need to take a roundabout from the next 500 meters U-turn, and then we need to take the road route. So that is the bridge from where we will be entering Rajahmundry 4 kilometers. Okay, thank you so much. It is 5:30. We got onto the Godavari bridge, the mighty road cum railway bridge, the longest bridge. That is one more bridge. That is the normal train bridge which was constructed by Britishers. So entering from West Godavari into East Godavari, entering Rajahmundry with a bang. Arvind has almost reached Hyderabad. He is just 5 kilometers away, where his battery gave up again. Both almost reached at the same time. मेरे अंकल थोड़ा साइड दे दो ना यार प्लीज. Hey, puppy. Checked in home. So finally home, and till now, if you have really liked the video, do give a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe there. That comes, and this is Raj Kiran Vlog signing off.